Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the new game, Football Manager Mobile 2024. So this is the mobile version of this game. And before we start, you can get this game for free if you are managed to or if you are make a subscription in Netflix app, especially in mobile version. So you can directly install in Netflix mobile version apps. But if you don't have a Netflix mobile version, you can get this game in Play Store or from iOS Store by paid in some amount. So let's get started. We are going to start new career as a manager, of course. Tap new game. So you can. There are three modes here. You can use the first mode is traditional way of playing Football Manager Mobile or challenge. So you will get three challenge here. The first one is the savior. Aim this challenge to avoid being relegated from the division. This is the scenario for you. You can tap the find out mode for the details. The second one is injury crisis. You can aim of this challenge to avoid being sick before the end of season. And the third one is the invincible. So you have to avoid losing in the league during the remainder of the seasons. Or you can start my club. In this mode, you will be able to create your own club and add them into playable league in the game. Just start the classic one if you are first time play this game. Tap to confirm. Select nation, choose up to 5 playable nation here. Maybe you want a top 5 league in Europe, England, a Spain, and where is the Germany, for example, Italy, and maybe either French or Netherlands or even Portugal. Choose. I'm choosing French, and you have to wait to initializing new game. So this is first part of this a start new career as manager. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click text button below. Enjoy the game.